Students, today we will study about the next topic, that is the apogamy. The question on that may become 3 to 5 marks, and these are comes in the general topics of the pteridophytes. The development of sporophyte from the gametophytic tissue without involving fusion of gametes means development of sporophyte from the gametophytic tissue कि gametophytic tissue से स्पोरोफाइट का डेवलप होना विदाउट द फ्यूजन ऑफ गैमीट्स is known as apogamy. Such sporophytes grow vegetatively by budding from the gametophyte. Hence, they have the same level of ploidy as ploidy means number of chromosomes or set of chromosomes as gametophytes. Though this process was first observed by Farlow, Farlow in 1874 in Terris Critica, and the term apogamy was introduced by D. Barry, Debary, in 1878 to include all cases of elimination of sexual function. Amongst ferns, apogamy is more widespread than apospory. कि फर्न्स के अंदर एपोस्पोरी के कंपैरिजन में एपोगैमी इज मोर वाइड स्प्रेड है, अधिक क्वांटिटी में या अधिक मात्रा में पाई जाती है. देयर आर मोर देन 50 स्पीशीज ऑफ फर्न्स इन विच apogamous sporophytes are known to occur naturally due to the absence of or non-functional nature of one or both sex organs. That is, you see in the figure this. Such apogamy is known as obligate apogamy. Besides gametophytes, having functional sex organs can be induced to bear apogamous sporophytes. This type of apogamy is known as induced or facultative apogamy. There are some species of the Dryopteris, Adiantum, Polystichum, Osmunda are some common ferns where obligate apogamy has been observed. द प्रोथेलाई ऑफ मोस्ट ऑफ दीज फर्न्स, जो अभी मैंने एग्जाम्पल बताए, नेम बताए, हैव फंक्शनल एंथ्रीडिया बट आर्किगोनिया आर आइदर नॉन फंक्शनल, या तो वो नॉन फंक्शनल होंगे या वो एबसेंट होंगे. फर्न्स ऑफ ड्राई हैबिटेट्स यूजुअली डू नॉट गेट सफिशिएंट वाटर फॉर फर्टिलाइजेशन, हैंस फेल टू रिप्रोड्यूस सेक्सुअली. कि वाटर की स्कैरेसिटी के कारण फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं हो पाता, इसलिए फेल टू रिप्रोड्यूस सेक्सुअली. इन सच फॉर्म्स ओब्लिगेट एपोगैमी इज एन अडेप्टेशन टू ड्राई कंडीशन. देयर आर सम इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स रिगार्डिंग एपोगैमी. कौन कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स हैं? वन इज द एपोगैमसली प्रोड्यूस्ड स्पोरोफाइट्स मे हैव देयर इंसेप्शन. कौन कौन सा? इन ए सिंगल सेल और इन ए ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स ऑफ द गैमेटोफाइट. इसी में इन वन और मोर सेल्स एडिसेंट टू द बेस ऑफ द आर्किगोनियम. और नेक्स्ट, इन द ओवम इज एन अनओपन्ड आर्किगोनियम. सेकंड, transition from gametophytic organization means prothallus to sporophytic tissue is gradual and as such in apogamous sporophytes it is usually difficult to determine the boundaries of gametophyte and sporophytes. Usually difficult to determine या set the boundaries of gametophyte and sporophyte. Third, apogamous sporophyte may be represented either only by a sporogonium with spores or by a complete structure with root, stem, and leaf. Fourth, apogamous sporophyte and gametophyte have the same level of polyidy as the former develops vegetatively from the latter. Means sporophyte है वो gametophyte develop होगा. A characteristic of obligate apogamous species is that in them both generations have diploid chromosome number. Diploid gametophytes are obtained by viable diploid spores which develop due to certain modifications in the process of spore production. Next, the organogenic development of apogamous sporophyte resembles that of a normal embryo and very well demonstrated in Pteris critica, Marsilia की कुछ species में. In each instance, nutrition of the young sporophyte is drawn from the cells of the prothallus. From the cells of the prothallus, that is the prothallus. Thus, the young sporophyte, that is, this is the young sporophyte, whether produced apogamously or after normal fertilization, manifests a specific organization from an early stage, and the development of organs is as such determined by genetic factor कि genetic factor से organ का development determine होता है. Next, that is the induction of apogamy. In 1896 में in 1896 Lang Lang was the first to induce apogamy successfully in many varieties of the ferns. And his work, जो लैंग का वर्क है, as well as subsequent studies have established that three factors play an important role in the induction of apogamy. कौन कौन सा? One or first, ability of prothelial cell to become meristematic, कि प्रोथेलियल सेल की meristematic होने की एबिलिटी होनी चाहिए. Second, prevention of fertilization. Third, exposure of prothallus to direct illumination. Next, that is the factors regulating apogamy. That is apogamy. Apogamy. Development of apogamous sporophytes in fern is determined by a number of factors. For example, nutrition factors, light quality, hormones, chromosome numbers. First, we start from the nutritional or nutrition factors. Experiments have shown that maximum number of apogamous sporophytes are obtained if the gametophytes are placed in 4% sucrose solution at the initiative phase. Starting में 4% sucrose solution at the initiative phase. Further development can however proceed normally even if sucrose concentration of all mineral nutrients is necessary and deficiency or absence of any one of them inhibits apogamy. Next, light quality. Far red light has been found to be the most effective in inducing apogamous development of sporophytes, followed by blue and white light. In 1971, Whittier and Pratt, WHITTIER, and Pratt, PRATT, on did an experiment on Pteridium aquilinum have shown or have shown or observed that pattern of vegetative growth of gametophyte is not related to the phenomenon of apogamy. Next, that is the hormones. Presence of hormones like gibberellic acid, indolestic acid, tryptophan stimulates gametophytes to produce apogamous sporophytes. Even at very low concentration, means 0 to sorry from 0.5, at very low concentration means 0.5% of carbohydrates. Besides, formation of apogamous plants is increased in prothalli exposed to ethylene. Ethylene, that is an hormone. Next, that is the chromosome number. Apogamy is more prevalent in polyploid gametophytes than in normal haploid prothalli. That seems to be an correlation between ploidy of the gametophyte and apogamy. Students, the topic of the apogamy is now finished. Thank you.